What a beautiful badge that is. And of course it belongs to a beautiful fan. This is a very early version of a Lakewood C-122. And it's, of course, the C-122 because, and not the C-122X, because as you can plainly see, we have a stand attachment with this one. Of course, this was made by Lakewood Engineering and Manufacturing Company, which is no longer in existence. They were based out of Chicago, Illinois. I actually bought this fan from a fellow fan collector that lives out near Chicago, Illinois, for the low, low price of only $15. Now, let me just say, ladies and gentlemen, this thing is in remarkable condition. I have never seen anything as clean or as mint of condition as this thing. This is just amazing. Look at how the grill and the blades all shine. Also, all of the rubber feet, with the exception of one on the stand, is all still intact and still there. The cord is nice and pliable, as you can plainly see. Very nice. And this thing works beautifully. But before we get to its performance, just want to show you very quickly, this is how the speed selection badge looks like. It's a 2-speed model, hence the 2 in the C-122. Also, we have a nice big beefy metal handle. Kind of looks like something from the top of a cabinet drawer or something along those lines from that time. And let's take a look at the back. There is literally nothing. There is literally nothing going on with this motor. No rust anywhere. It is completely clean. 100%. No pitting, no rust, no nothing. I was not able to get a date code on this thing. However, look at that. You can read everything on that thing. And of course, the biggest thing, maybe you could see it, made in the USA, baby. That's absolutely right. And of course, it uses a General Electric motor, which is the small version of the GE Fireball, as they like to call it. What I find interesting is that they painted everything the same color. Even the support beam for the motor and the motor itself is that teal color, which I think is quite interesting. What I love about this fan is that you literally, well, first of all, what I really like is the only thing that's plastic on it is the knob. But also, I've noticed that the grills are extremely easy to take apart. All you have to just do is you take each of these little tabs here, and they act like springs. They're spring-loaded. You simply put a little pressure on each of them, and everything just comes and pops right off. And it's really easy to clean and maintain and oil. All right, here we go. Enough chit-chat. We're already at 3 minutes of just blabber. Here's the fan's performance now. Here we go. First speed is high. And you're already probably getting plenty of a wind blast. Of course, it's model number C-122. Very, very, very clear. There it is. And let's take a look. Very quiet. Move over to low now. I don't know if you're able to catch that on tape, but the sound of the motor slowly descending down to a whine. Oh my goodness, it just sounds so beautiful. I'll get a startup sound for you too. And there's low and back to high, and there's high and off. The bearings are just a little stiff on this thing because it's been sitting around for the longest time. However, I did oil it this morning, so hopefully they will be a little bit looser as time goes by, and I'm sure as the summer kicks up again, we'll be able to see just how well they are. Alright, here we go. Startup sound on high first. Okay, and let's wait for it to coast down. Maybe I should have done a two-part video of this. Who knows? And low speed. Here we go. This is the best part. Beautiful. Very nice. All right. The Lakewood C-122. Thank you very much for watching. Please make sure to excuse me, I can't even talk anymore. Rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Again, thank you for watching.